రావట్లేదే పిక్చర్. Namaste to everybody. Susandhya. Very good evening. Shubha Sandhya to all of you. We shall commence this session, the second day of Bhajan Sandhya, with prayer. All of you please sit straight and get ready and get connected. Om Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarvadharmaswarupine Avatara Varishtaya Ramakrishnaya Te Namaha Yathagner Dahika Shakti Ramakrishne Stita Hiya Sarva Vidya Swarupam Tam Sharadam Pranamamyaham Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Akhanda Mandalakaram Yaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Namaste to everybody once again, and we shall commence today's session straight away without much ado, without much of introduction. Yesterday, many of you participated, and the purpose of this session, as you know, is to create the fervor, create the devotion, concentration, and take the mind, Sri Ramakrishna used to tell, from the gross level to the subtler level. From Tamoguna to Rajoguna and Rajoguna to Sattvaguna, and Sattvaguna takes us forward towards higher realizations. So from the gross plane, let us rise up to the plane of thought. That is where the meaning of the song is very important. The meaning of the bhajan, the stotram, the chanting, anything is very, very important. Then from there, let us rise to the spiritual plane. So from 0 to somewhere around 50, thought plane, not just the material thoughts, not just the worldly thoughts or things and discussions about politics and things like that, but powerful ideas, pure ideas. Yesterday we saw Kabir Das song, the Guru Nanak song, the Mirabai song. How wonderful, how deep and powerful message they conveyed through the bhajan. And from there, through meditation and through sadhana, let us rise up to the spiritual plane. So Vedantji, once again, Namaste, Malay Vanakkam, and welcome to our institute via Zoom online. And over to you for today's introduction sessions and next 60 minutes.
Oh, Namaste, Swamiji. Thank you
Namaste, namaste,
very
nice seeing you.
much. Very happy to be here again today in front of all of you. Thank you, Swamiji, for this opportunity again. It really takes me back to our Chennai days where we used to do this meditation session along with bhajans. They are memories which can never be taken away from me, and something that always keeps fueling me to keep going forward with a lot of josh, lot of energy. So thank you so much, Swamiji, for this. Today we'll start with a song in Tamil. So I sing in several languages. My mother tongue is Tamil. So many people tell me, so you sing in so many languages. When are you going to sing in Tamil? So this is the time when I sing in, in Tamil. So
Tongue twister for our participants.
it's
But anyway,
okay.
learning a new language or
Yes.
a message through a song is also very important.
Oh yes, definitely, Swamiji. I always approach every language like how you approach any human being, with love, with compassion. So, and then it flows very easily, and you become one with it. The best way to learn anyone's culture is to start learning their language
Absolutely.
and tradition. So then you make anyone extremely happy when you sing a song in their language.
Yeah.
Not just speak, but when you can sing a song in their language, they become extremely happy. I've seen that, I've experienced that wherever I've traveled and performed live. So this song is written by 15th century mystic poet called Oothukadu Venkatakavi. Oothukadu is the name of the village that he's from, and Venkata Subayar is his name. So he was a devotee of Krishna, and I would say the speciality of Oothukadu Venkatakavi was that he wrote in colloquial Tamil, like how Tulsidas studied Sanskrit and everything, and then he finally wrote Ramcharitra in the local language, in Audhi. So Oothukadu Venkatakavi was also a learned scholar. He learned Sanskrit, Tamil, and but the songs that he wrote were of very colloquial Tamil that we can even understand today. So it was not of a high flown language. So in this song, he talks about Krishna, who is a naughty boy. This naughty boy, this young Krishna, who sings a lot of songs, dances around, and very unpredictably mischievous. Pollada, Polladu is a very common phrase, a common word which is used, especially with the elders in our family. Our parties or tatas, they usually tell their grandchildren they're Polladu. Polladu means naughty, but in a very small, childish kind of naughtiness. So, and then he says that this precious Krishna, this precious darling of ours, is dark blue in color, like the cloud, like the dark blue cloud, and he enters our hearts and establishes himself when he sings, and then he tricks the gopis, but he still plays his wonderful flute, dances around with them, and then says, "Please give me one small pot of butter." And he's very mischievous like that. And then he will call out to his neighbor, and he would, try and. There is a word called vambu. Vambu means you're trying to kind of not exactly quarrel, but you're trying to challenge this other person, and and say. So he says, why don't you sing Mukhari Ragam? He tells this girl, and if this girl who's his neighbor doesn't say, if she says that, oh, I don't know how to sing Mukhari Ragam, so then he kind of teases her, and then she starts crying, and then she says, this is only, Krishna says, this is only Mukhari. When she starts crying. And then lastly, the last stanza is, he says, the pot of butter should never remain closed. It should always be accessible for Krishna to come and steal the butter and eat it. And you can never complain to his mother, to Yashoda, and say that Krishna has stolen the butter from my house. Otherwise, he would make everybody in your family, your amma, party, attai, tata, he will tell all of them have stolen the butter, but it's not me. So that's what Krishna says. It's a very mischievous song, very, very nice. It also happens to be my party's favorite song. So whenever I sing it, I always dedicate it to her. I will share.
Party in Tamil is grandmother.
Party is grandmother, yes. So I'll share the
Before you
lyrics.
start, I'll request the participants to switch on their camera, please, because the singer needs to know to whom you are singing. And yesterday it was so nice, all of you swaying, all of you participating devotedly, wholeheartedly. So please switch on your cameras, don't hesitate, and be involved with this next few minutes. Yeah, Vedat, please.
Thank you. I'll share the lyrics here on the screen, on the chat. விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி, வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி, நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி, நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான், பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான். அவன் நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான், பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான். நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான், பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான். கோலப்புல்லாங்குழல் ஊதி கோலப்புல்லாங்குழல் ஊதி, கோபிகளை கள்ளம் மாடி, கோலப்புல்லாங்குழல் ஊதி, கோபிகளை கள்ளம் மாடி, கொஞ்சம் போல வெண்ணெய் தாடி என்று கேட்டும் ஆட்டமாடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். முக்காரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வம்புக்கு இழுப்பான். பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான். முக்காரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வம்புக்கு இழுப்பான். எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றா எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றா எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்கூறுக கிள்ளி விட்டு அவள் விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது தாண்டி மூக்காரி என்பான். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது, வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது. இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது. இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. இவன் அம்மா கிட்ட சொல்லக்கூடாது. சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க உண்ணாது. சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும். சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும். திருட என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், அவனை திருட என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், உன் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருட வெப்பா. விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன்.
Extremely fascinating.
Yes.
As you sing, the flow of taking us to Vrindavan, right? Or Gokula. Balakrishna.
Yes.
Sri Ramakrishna says 3 or 4 kinds of meditation we can have, we can do. One is Namadhyana, Namasmarana. Second is Rupa Dhyana, meditate on the form. The third is the Leela Dhyana, which just now this song depicted. Krishna's movements, Krishna's stealing the butter and threatening and then telling, don't tell to anybody and keep it in a nice place so that I'll come and take it. All this Balakrishna's wonderful Leela that he enacted in Gokula and along with Mother Yashoda and the gopis and the other people, something fascinating which the modern mind will not be able to grasp it because of the grossness of things. But anyway, the meaning and the lyrics, everything is available in Google, thanks to Google Guru. The lyrics are there in Telugu, they are there in Tamil, they are there in English, transliteration, and the meaning also is there. So it should not be a problem later on. After the class is over, you can download and save it and have the recording. I think Aruna Sairam has done a beautiful job. Sudha Raghunathan and all people of
Yes,
Chennai,
that's right, Swamiji. Yes.
they have offered this to the Lord himself. in their concerts. Brilliant. So just few seconds, please sit in meditation, prayer. Think of the Lord in your heart. Krishna's movements, not the Krishna of Kurukshetra, but Krishna of Vrindavan, Krishna of Gokula. Krishna entering into the various houses of the Gopas and Gopis and eating the butter, the curd, the drinking milk, breaking the pots, and mischievously hiding and telling that I have not done it. Mind becomes so pure, so tender, so sensitive. It becomes so pure also. Krishna says one should not ever cover the pots that have butter. One should not ever ask or wonder, even if he shows up and swallows all that butter. One should not ever complain to his mother, Yashoda. For if you do complain, it will not be possible to bear the tantrum of Krishna. Something wonderful. That is sure to follow. If you call him a thief, just for the sake of an argument, this Krishna will brand and call everybody as thief. Your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, your grandfather, everybody will be thief. Just give that butter to him. So it can be the butter of your mind, butter of your heart. Life should become Krishnamayam. Yes, Vedant, let us move on.
Yes, Swamiji. So, would you all like to repeat this song along with me? Let's try it out. Okay.
One paragraph you can try and see how their tongue will behave.
It's very simple, Tamil Swamiji. There's not much of.
You can see the lyrics, only the pronunciation. La, ka, that.
Yeah. So the capital letters are the capital S is sh, the capital N is n from the upper palate. That's it. There's T capital. The capital A is A. So I think you all will figure it out as you all read it. விஷமகார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமகார கண்ணன் 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 வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமகார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமகார கண்ணன் விஷமகார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமகார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான், பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான். நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான், பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான். கோலப்புல்லாங்குழல் ஊதி கோபிகளை கள்ளம் ஆடி, கோலப்புல்லாங்குழல் ஊதி கோபிகளை கள்ளம் ஆடி, கொஞ்சம் போல வெண்ணெய் தாடி என்று கேட்டும் ஆட்டமாடும், கொஞ்சம் போல எண்ணெய் தாடி என்று கேட்டும் ஆட்டமாடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான், மூக்காரி ராகம் பாடச் சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான். பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான், மூக்காரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான். எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்கூருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்கூருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது இத்தாண்டி மூக்காரி என்பான். விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது இத்தாண்டி மூக்காரி என்பான். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது, இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது, இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது. இவன் அம்மா கிட்ட சொல்லக்கூடாது, சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க உண்ணாது. இவன் அம்மா கிட்ட சொல்லக்கூடாது, சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க உண்ணாது. சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும் திருட என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும் திருட என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், உன் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருட வைப்பான். உன் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருட வைப்பான். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். Nice, thank you.
Very absorbing, very much absorbing.
So the next song that I would like to sing is also a song written on Lord Krishna by another saint poet from the Bhakti tradition, and this is by Surdas. And Surdas is was a poet who apparently was blind, and they say that Surdas was, as in he was able to experience Krishna within himself when he would, of course, he would not be able to see the world, but he was always having the darshan of Krishna within himself, and that was the speciality of Surdas. And in this song, he says that how can we even think of going through this life of without you, without your help? So we request you, O Shepherd, as there is nobody else who is as merciful as you. He says, you gave me my limbs, my eyes, my face, my knowledge. Time and karma also came through you. And nobody is there to me other than you. I have nobody in this world other than you. I was depending on somebody, but I accept now that you brought me up. In between all the work you have also, you've been doing so much of work, and side by side you also keep stealing butter and milk. So Surdas also takes the talks about the naughtiness of Krishna here. And then he says, there is no one as forgiving as you. I don't need to depend on anybody else. Surdas says that suffering goes away with just the chanting of Krishna's name. So this is the song. Binati jana kasu kare gosai. So I've shared the lyrics. This song has been set to tune by my guru, Sri Rammurthy Rao, in Rag Bhim Plus. बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि। देवतन भी की ठकुराई, बिनती जन देवतन भी की ठकुराई। बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। अपने से कर चरण नैन मुख, अपने से कर चरण नैन मुख, अपने से कर चरण नैन मुख। अपनी सी बुद्धि भाई, अपने से कर चरण नैन मुख। अपनी सी बुद्धि भाई। काल करम बस फिरत सकल प्रभु, काल करम बस फिरत सकल प्रभु। तेहि हमारी नाई, कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, देवतन फीकी ठकुराई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। पराधीन पर बदन निहारत, पराधीन पर बदन निहारत, पराधीन पर बदन निहारत, मानत मोह बढ़ाई, पराधीन पर बदन निहारत, मानत मोह बढ़ाई, देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित, देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित, जो पशु दूध चराई, बिनती जन जो पशु दूध चराई, कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, देवतन फीकी ठकुराई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, पावई पीर पराई, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, पावई पीर पराई, सूरदास के त्रास हरन को, प्रभुताई, बिनती जन कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई, बिनती जन कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई, कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, देवतन फीकी ठकुराई, बिनती जन कासू करे, कासू करे, कासू करे गोसाई, गोसाई।
Wonderful.
Thank you, Swamiji.
So, to save time, I request all the participants close your eyes and turn the entire concentration, devotion, faith. Visualize the divine in your heart. Hridaya Kamala Madhye. Visualize Bhagavan Sri Krishna, the Balakrishna in your heart. Surdas says, how can we request you, O shepherd? That is Krishna. As there is nobody merciful as you. Deen Dayalu Nahi Hari. Tum bin, other than you. There is nobody. You gave me my limbs, eyes, face, and knowledge. Time and karma also came through you. Nobody is there to me other than you. Kal karma bas firat sakal prabhu tehi hamari nai. I was depending on somebody, but I accept now that you brought me up. In between all the work you have also been stealing milk. These are the qualities of God, qualities of the Lord that Surdas Ji is depicting, is writing in this beautiful song. It is all called Gunadhyana and the Leeladhyana. Surdas says, there is no one as forgiving and just as you. I don't need to depend on others. Surdas' suffering goes away with just the chanting of Krishna's name. सूरदास के त्रास हरण को कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई. So our suffering also will go away, will disappear, will melt away in the name of God, power of the name of God. Namadhyana, Rupadhyana, Gunadhyana, and Leeladhyana. All these four are in this beautiful bhajan of Sant Surdas. Surdas did not have the eyes, the physical eyes, but he had the inner vision, the inner drive, the bhakti, would see Krishna always. So may we see Lord Krishna in our heart and seek his grace, seek his strength. Let us surrender to the Lord. There is no one as forgiving and just as you. I don't need to depend on others. Tuma bina aur na kaun kripanidhi, dayanidhi. Beautiful. So may Sri Krishna bless us. May Sri Ramakrishna bless us. Wonderful experience, Vedant. Let us go forward.
Yes. So I'll repeat a line and you all can. बिनति जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनति जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनति जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनति जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि, तुम बिन दीन दयालु नहीं हरि। देवतन फीकी ठकुराई बिनति जन, देवतन फीकी ठकुराई बिनति जन, देवतन फीकी ठकुराई बिनति जन कासू करे बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। अपने से कर चरण नयन मुख, 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 अपनी सी बुद्धि भाई, अपनी सी बुद्धि भाई। काल करम बस फिरत सकल प्रभु, 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 तेहि हमारी नाई, तेहि हमारी नाई। बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। परादीन पर बदन निहारत, परादीन पर बदन निहारत, मानत मोह बढ़ाई, मानत मोह बढ़ाई। परादीन पर बदन निहारत, परादीन पर बदन निहारत, मानत मोह बढ़ाई, मानत मोह बढ़ाई। देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित, देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित, देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित, देव सकल व्यापार निरत नित। जो पशु दूध चराई, जो पशु दूध चराई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि, तुम बिन औरन को कृपा निधि। पाबई पीर पराई, पाबई पीर पराई। सूरदास के त्रास हरन को, सूरदास के त्रास हरन को, सूरदास के त्रास हरन को, सूरदास के त्रास हरन को। कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई, कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई, कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई, कृष्ण नाम प्रभुताई। बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई, बिनती जन कासू करे गोसाई। गोसाई, देवतन भी की ठकुराई, बिनती जन कासू करे, कासू करे, कासू करे गोसाई, गोसाई।
Salutations to the Lord, Shashtanga Pranam to the Lord. तन मन धन अर्पण करो, सब भगवान देखेगा। हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम होता है। कुछ कुछ हम लोग रखते हैं पॉकेट में। We don't want to give everything. We don't want to surrender. That is the problem. But a wonderful meaning. I was depending on somebody, but I accept now that you brought me up. In between all the work you have, you do this small mischief also. You play with us by stealing milk and other things. Nobody is there to me other than you. Wonderful.
Yes.
Yes, Vedanji. One more.
Oh yes, Swamiji. So there are a lot of songs written by songs, shlokas written by Adi Shankaracharya. So, and Adi Shankaracharya was known to have taken the bhakti movement along India. He walked across the whole of India, Padyatra, and he took the philosophies of the bhakti movement of Saguna, of Sargun form of bhakti all across India. Though Adi Shankaracharya was of the Advaita philosophy, so he thought that there was only one God, only one truth. And this song, this particular verses that a set of few verses that he's written talks about that very beautifully. He says that neither am I the mind nor the intelligence or ego, neither am I the organs of hearing nor that of tasting, the tongue, nor am I the nose, nor am I the eyes, neither am I the sky nor the earth, neither the fire nor the air. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. So this is the Nirvana Shatakam of Adi Shankaracharya. Neither am I the breath, neither am I the 5 vital airs, neither am I the 7 ingredients of the body, nor the 5 sheaths of the body. Neither am I the organ of speech, nor the organs for holding the hands, or neither am I the feet. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. Neither do I have any hatred, any attachment, nor greed, no infatuation. I don't have pride, no feelings of envy and jealousy. I am not within the bounds of dharma, or artha, wealth, or kama, desire, or moksha, even liberation. The four purusarthas of life. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva. Neither am I bound by merits, nor by sin, nor by worldly joys, nor by sorrows. Neither am I bound by sacred hymns or by sacred places. Neither am I bound by the sacred scriptures, nor by sacrifices. I am neither enjoyment or experience, nor an object to be enjoyed or experienced, or nor am I the enjoyer, the experiencer. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva. Neither am I bound to death or by its fear. nor by the rules of caste and all its distinctions. Neither do I have father, mother, nor do I have birth. Neither do I have relations nor friends, neither spiritual teacher nor disciple. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva. I am without a I am present everywhere as the underlying substratum of everything, behind all sense organs. Neither do I get attached to anything nor get freed from anything. I am the pure, ever blissful consciousness. I am Shiva. I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. So let's try singing this song. I'll just copy the lyrics onto the chat. It's not.
It's quite familiar, Vedant. I think they will
Okay.
get.
All right. I'm not able to share the
Yeah.
this thing.
Nirvanastakam will be there in the Google.
Yeah.
Type and they will get it.
Okay. मनोबुद्धि अहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न श्रोत्रो न जिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योम भूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुः न वा पञ्चकोशः न वाप्नोदिपादं न चोपस्थपायु चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञाः अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भक्तो चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् I'll repeat this stanza again. न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञाः अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूपं शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम् न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्
So we can, if you have time, one more song we can take up.
Yes, Swamiji.
Then we'll, because this is quite deep. Tomorrow we'll meditate on this.
This is a very deep one.
Yeah. From Gokula to Advaita.
Yes. This song actually reminds me of another Kabir song which we can also dwell on tomorrow along with this. It has a very similar meaning. So since we are taking up this, we can also take up this Kabir song that I would like to sing. It's called Avadhuta Yugan Yugan Ham Yogi. O solitary wanderer, for ages and ages I have been a yogi. I don't come, I don't disappear, I never disappear, but I enjoy the endless sound. Everywhere I see my people, every place a gathering. I am in everyone, everyone is in me. With many in me and around me, I am alone. I am yogic power, deep meditation. I am silent and I speak, showing an outer form, an inner form, and no form. I play within myself. Kabir says, listen, friends, O seekers, I have no desire. In my hut, I sway in the self. I play simply to please myself. Avadhuta Yugan Yugan Ham Yogi. Incidentally, it has a very similar tune also as Chidananda Rupa Shiva of Nirvana Shatakam. This song was of course composed by the legendary Pandit Kumar Gandharv. Yugana Yugana Ham Yogi Yogi Yugana Yugana Ham Yogi 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 Yugana आवे ना जाए, मिटे ना कब हूँ शब्द अनाहद भोगी अवधूता, युगन युगन हम योगी 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 योगी, युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। सभी ठोर जमात हमारी जमात, हमारी सब ही ठोर पर मेला मेला, हाँ मेला। हम सब माय सब है, हम माय हम सब में, हम सब में सब है, हम माय हम माय हम है बहुरी अकेला अवधूता, युगन युगन हम योगी 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 योगी, युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। हम ही सिद्ध समाधि, हम ही हम मौनी, हम बोले बोले हाँ बोले, हम ही समाधि, हम ही हम मौनी, हम बोले बोले हाँ बोले। रूप स्वरूप रूप स्वरूप अरूप दिखा के हम ही में हम तो खेले अवधूता, युगन युगन हम योगी 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 योगी, युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। कहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो, सुनो मेरे साधो, नाही न कोई इच्छा इच्छा, हाँ इच्छा। कहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो, सुनो मेरे साधो, नाही न कोई इच्छा, इच्छा, इच्छा। अपनी मढ़ी में, अपनी मढ़ी में आप मैं डोलूं, डोलूं, खेलूं, खेलूं सहज स्व इच्छा, युगन युगन हम योगी, 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 युगन युगन हम योगी, योगी, युगन युगन हम
Wow, wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
So really powerful message you have given, both of the bhakti and the Advaita sadhana. Wonderful experience today. And before we disperse for the day, a couple of quick feedbacks from some people. Can I get Pratyusha ji from Hyderabad? Your experience if you are there. Or there is Nivedita Prasad from Bangalore, who has joined us from Bangalore. Her feelings and experience, please, quickly. Not able. Hey, Lila Mahesh, just check this one. Unmute. Unmute
Yes,
themselves. Yeah.
they can unmute themselves.
Yeah, you can be done, Pratyusha. Yeah, please. Check one security. Yeah.
Yes, Swamiji. Namaste, Vedantji. Namaste, Swamiji. It is, you've taken us to a different, wonderful world. I don't even want to show my face. That's the world you've taken us to. Been a very, very long days for us at work. But just listening to the Bhajan Swamiji, the meanings, which we always keep singing, sometimes the meaning added a lot of power, and it helped us to meditate. It'll be great if we can get some good recorded versions. Keep on listening. I think that will be more powerful.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
just don't have words to express, but I think this has been one of the best in the year to detox our mind, I must say.
This
Thank
will be
you
a
so
good
much,
detoxification
Vedantji.
and
Thanks a
then
lot, Swamiji.
immunity also. Wonderful, fantastic. Very good. A quick from Nivedita Prasad, Bangalore.
Thank you, Swamiji, for having such a
you.
wonderful program for all of us and connecting us to Vedantji. I'm so happy. And as Pratyusha said, no words to express. The sound, the music, it has taken us to a different level. And I must say, Swamiji has asked me to share it with other people. I shall forward all the messages to Swamiji about yesterday's experience. People have thanked me profusely who love music, saying that I'm thankful for connecting me to such a lovely program. Swamiji, we request you to conduct such programs more often and continue this, Swamiji, for us, because it's beautiful, something blissful.
Since Bhavana will continue, we will have the bhajan also to continue.
No,
That's the
Swamiji, no
one time will
corona,
be-
but bhajans continue.
Yes, Corona will reduce because of this.
Yes, yes, Maharaj.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Divya from Netherlands, who has joined us, Divya. She has joined us from Netherlands. And how you are feeling today?
It was such a nice session. Thank you so much, Swamiji, for inviting me to join the session. And Vedanji, your voice is so melodious. I'm so happy that I got this opportunity to come and attend this session. Thank you so much.
Very good. Thank you very much. More feedbacks tomorrow, and the experience, more than the feedback, the feeling and the bhav which they are taking home is very important, and how they implement that in their life is also makes a difference. Okay. So Vedant, thank you very much, and we'll end with Asatoma Sadgamaya.
Thank you. Thank you, Swamiji.
Yeah. We'll meet again tomorrow, 6:10,
Oh.
6:15. Please,
Yes. Sure.
everybody come online. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री राम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु शुभरात्रि 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 to everybody. And tomorrow evening, please come online by 6:10, and by 6:15, we shall start the session. Thank you very much, Vedant. Namaste. And may Sri Ramakrishna bless you again.